Oh, bollocks to you. Science. At St. Denis Adelaide Road level crossing in Hampshire. This is a level crossing that has several trains an hour, so I don't exactly know which one's coming. Oh, and as I was saying, my crazy line there, some car thought it was a good idea to run across. You can speak if you want to. Just makes the video more interesting. Just a quick video of the MPV earlier. What a sharp curve. Can I do a narrow shot here? Yeah, that'll do. MPV going anywhere. Not entirely sure on that one. Alright. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next closure, guys. Noisy barriers that are wrecked. St. Denis level crossing on closure 2. I think, if I'm lucky, this may be a passenger train. I don't know which one exactly though. Because I know we do have like there's like 5 trains an hour on this line. I said that several times. The MPV, that was completely out of nowhere. Here it is. Here comes our train. We got 1661219. to Cardiff Central. And up they go again. See you next closure, guys. Lovely times. Thought you said it was stopping. St. Denis level crossing, enclosure 3, Hedwa. This may be for your southern service to, I don't know, fuck to find out. Well, I'm gonna put a... No, it's just cars on the adjacent road. There is. You guys can't see it, but we are adjacent to the Southwestern Main Line, and occasionally we do hear trains on that line. I'm gonna put a very non-English one in that comment. You guys have got to try and reconfigure. It'll just be words splashed about. You can't do anything about them. So even if it says fuck, you can't fuck it off. I'm talking to myself here, but yeah. Because after this should be a either Southwestern or Southern. I don't know. You can tell I don't know much about this place at all. I just thought come down here because no one's filmed it on foot in years. I mean, Steve DD1 came down here early this year, but that was in his car though. Another train. It's a southern one. to Southampton Central. What are we doing now then? That's all one train so far. Right. Fuck it, I'm going. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Here we go. Well, where the fuck are you going then, mate? St. Denis level crossing on enclosure 4, Hedwa. Oh, missing skirt on the side. Alright, if we're lucky, there should be a train going the other way. So we've had two coming from the Fareham direction so far. It'd be nice if it stood there for that matter, but no, I'll be in front of someone's house otherwise, so I'm not going to stand there. Pretty much a bit of a quickie. We had a cancelled train earlier, so yeah. The easy stance on this end because I can see the line properly, and you guys can as well. The lines I've said there, they'll definitely go into out of context. No, I can't see a train that end. Ah, we have a train coming the other way. (218). (166) 218 for Portsmouth Harbour. Well, excuse you, cyclist. Out of context again. Consecutive closure here. That's what they, or some people call it, the Brayford. Yeah. About to go into the side and then boom, both bells go off and barriers back down. All right. I can't check the time now because I haven't got a second phone with me. And that's, what is it?
12:17.
12:17. Okay. Personally, they should have kept us crossing down for that train, for the second train. That's Network Rail for you. Because this level crossing is controlled by CCTV. There's no signal box along here. Don't think there ever has been. Train coming from the Fareham way. What, 377109? For Southampton Central. Alright. Yep. Can't get enough of them. St Denis level crossing, closure 6. I'm going to go ahead and say this will be our last one, because place is good. Though I will say the place looks pretty dodgy. I don't want to deter people from coming here though, because this crossing has obviously still got the old ancient barriers. Oh, there's a car. Ah, here we are, already. Look at that. There's 130 again. $130 going, I don't know, London Victoria or Brighton for that matter. What are we going to do? Yep, there we go. Right, we shall call it there. Thank you guys, I will see you in the next video.